Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Nick Invest, back with another video. Yeah, in this video, and I'm just gonna be basically talking about how really XRP is the next Bitcoin. Now, XRP, if you guys haven't done research on it, like really look at the technology and what it does. This thing moves money in seconds, 3 to 5 seconds. It's cheaper to move money than Bitcoin, which is less than a penny to move money. It's just more efficient way to moving money than the current Swift system that the banks currently use to move money. The Swift system actually has 7% failure rate, while XRP doesn't have that like percentage of failure rates in terms of when it comes to moving money on their ledger. Now, XRP, this technology is like really special. When you compare it to, let's say, like Bitcoins or just other technologies, it like they don't come close. Like Ethereum, when it comes to moving money, Ethereum is very expensive. The gas fees are very high, so banks will not use Ethereum for cross-border payments and things of that nature. And similar to Bitcoin, Bitcoin is slower and also cost as well. So XRP is that perfect thing that is cheap and is fast to move money, and that's why a lot of banks are gonna eventually start using this technology to move money cross borders all over the world in seconds for cheap. Also now, when it comes to XRP, it's also an ISO 222 compliant cryptocurrency. This means like with XRP, XLM, XDC, HBAR, Quant, IOTA, and Algorand, they're all ISO 222 compliant cryptos. Also, if you don't know what ISO 222 is, please look it up. This is a financial messaging system that all banks are going to be on by the end of 2025. I believe all banks will be on this standard ISO 222, and XRP is one of those cryptos that's compliant, and we know what XRP is meant for. So XRP has, I think it had like 300 plus financial institutions that are partnered with it, like banks and stuff like that. The technology is amazing, right? It can convert your money, right? If you're sending US dollars to euros, like any part of the world, it will convert the money and move the money in seconds. Any part of the world, in seconds. So I really want people like to really look into XRP. Like I said, even for Bitcoin doesn't even have close to the use case of XRP. And Bitcoin was able to just do, very high prices because it's, has a low supply and things of that nature. The cryptocurrency market is growing and all that stuff. But with XRP, this thing solving $1 trillion problem when it comes to cross-border payments. If you guys don't listen to, Brad Garlinghouse, he always says we're solving a problem. Like we are solving a problem. So this is a cryptocurrency that's actually solving a problem in the real world, that actually has utility, actually has a use case to it. It's not no meme coin. It's not even like a speculative asset, really. Like it actually serves a purpose for the financial system that we are going into. So please look into XRP. It's one of those cryptos that can, in my opinion, really do numbers. Like Brad Garlinghouse, he always says, this is $1 trillion problem they're solving. And I believe XRP is going to be moving trillions of dollars a day. The Swift system by itself right now moves 5 to 6 trillion dollars a day in volume. And this is on an old system, on a slow system, right? Where it takes money days to reach its destination. 3 to 5 days to actually reach where it's trying to get to, and is costly. With XRP, it's cheap, costs less than a penny, and it's fast. 3 to 5 seconds. It's more efficient. Also, it's more environmentally friendly for the environment. It's a green crypto compared to like Bitcoin. Bitcoin uses a lot of energy when it comes to mining and all of that. It takes a lot of energy. So XRP is just in a great spot to really just do numbers. And now we know Donald Trump is coming into office. He's very pro crypto. He has a crypto czar. I forgot his name. And I actually forgot his name. but he is pro crypto, and he was even on a podcast. He has a podcast talking about, XRP, they beat the SEC, and like he's pro crypto, and he's for XRP in my opinion. Also, we know that the new SEC chair, Gary Gensler is stepping down, and we're getting a new SEC chair, which is Paul Atkins, I believe his name is, right? Pro crypto, very knowledgeable in the space. So all these sentiments are just good for the cryptocurrency market. All these sentiments are good for the cryptocurrency market. We're moving in a positive direction. So it's really, really a good time right now. If you are looking to get into crypto, like now would be like one of the good times, because we're still like at good prices. I don't think we're too high yet. This is not financial advice, of course. Always do your research and only invest money you're willing to lose in crypto. Crypto is very volatile. It's risk involved. So always do the research and always invest money you're willing to lose, right? Now, but I do believe, like when it comes to like XRP and the other ISO 222 tokens like XLM, XDC, HBAR, IOTA, Quant, and Algorand. Only Quant would be probably the most expensive because it's in the hundreds, but it's a very low supply similar to Bitcoin. So I think that can do numbers, and that's gonna basically, it's gonna bring all of those ISO, like all the systems together. I think it is gonna do good numbers. So, but the rest of them are very, very affordable prices for the average everyday person. That's, we don't have thousands to invest. Like, well, yeah, I don't have that much money to invest, but we can get into these cryptos, and I think we can make a nice profit. Not financial advice, but that's just my opinion. There is a new financial system coming, of course, and money is going digital. If you can't see it, like, I don't know what to tell you, but it is going digital. There are CBDCs coming, digital money. Just the way we're gonna move money is gonna be like an email. Just how, boom, we used to write emails and send it, and it take days to get to the person. Now we have emails where you can, type the email and send it to a person and they get it instantly. This is same thing when it comes to sending money as well. We're gonna be able to move money instantly, like these banks are and financial institutions, governments, these large players are gonna really, really enjoy this technology and use it to make just moves with money and things like that. So I really, really think people like should look into XRP, man. I think it's gonna do really, really great. I think it's like the next Bitcoin. Like I compare it right now to getting into Bitcoin, like at those same prices, just because XRP has more utility. It has way more utility than like Bitcoin. Like, and they're still like improving XRP, trying to scale it. XRP can do 1,500 transactions per second. Bitcoin's nowhere near that. And it's just like the adoption that's going to happen just because banks will eventually start using this type of technology to move money. Like it's going to be a lot of money, and just the amount of money is going to be moving on a daily basis. XRP has to be a high price to handle the amount of volume that is going to eventually be handling. So that's just kind of my thoughts and things of that nature. 2025 is really looking good. We're going into, we're already in the bull run, like it's starting, things are trending up. But, 2025, I think things are going to get, a lot better for crypto, just things of that nature. And we know XRP is a utility asset. So this thing it's not going to really follow other cryptos like that as well. Like once the utility start kicking in, and all these banks like Japan and just all over the world, BRICS, all these guys are starting to use this technology to move money. That's when you're going to really start seeing the price of this surge. And also when it comes to XRP, I know right now, they're kind of focused on like, taking over maybe the SWIFT system and stuff like that for banks. But if these guys get into derivatives, the derivatives market, and just tokenizing assets, like get into like, tokenizing the stock market, tokenizing the bond market, and other asset classes, that's when you're going to see like those crazy, crazy prices for XRP. I hope you guys really do your research on it. This thing is better than Bitcoin. Like the technology is better. The people that made Bitcoin, like there's people from XRP are part of the people that I believe created Bitcoin, and they're trying to find a way to create a better version of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has certain issues and just certain areas where it can be improved, and that's XRP. XRP is that better version of Bitcoin. So I really want people to look into it, do your research. There's a lot of good information on YouTube. A lot of YouTubers are giving good information. You can read some articles. But this technology is something you need to look into. Cryptocurrency is the future. Look at ISO 222, new financial system coming. Look at these things. XRP, XLM. XRP is the big brother, going to handle larger payments. XLM is the little brother, is going to deal with more so peer-to-peer, retail, the average everyday person and things of that nature. So XLM won't be as high of a price as XRP, because it's not going to be handling the amount of money XRP is going to handle, but it's still going to perform very well, in my opinion. So I just hope people, just look into it, do your research. 2025, I think, is going to be a crazy year. So I hope y'all get ready and get your bags packed. Not financial advice. Do your research. Only invest money you're willing to lose. Be smart with your investments. Don't invest your whole life savings. Invest money you don't really need, So when you're investing it, you don't really care about it as much. You have you have less feelings in the investment. And then if it goes up, cool. If it goes down and you lose money, hey, you didn't really care about it. So that was just I just want to give my thoughts on that. Hope you guys, like the video, share the video with your friends, subscribe to the channel. I have more videos coming on the way. And let me know in the comments if you guys want me to talk about anything else, more XRP and just whatever, just comment down below. Nick Invest, signing off.